Hello everyone, welcome in the Creo Parametric 6.0 video tutorial. So in this video we'll create this model which is shown on the screen over here. Now this is nothing but a swing arm. So these dimensions are mentioned in inches in the drawing. So while creating the drawing, we'll first go with the addition of material and then we will go with the subtraction of material. So let us start. Go to the Creo, select the new, select the part, define the file name and say OK. Now from here I will just display the plane. So select the plane display. Now we will go first with this profile. So we'll draw this profile and we will revolve this profile above this center line. So select the revolve command, go with the front plane and select the sketch. Now we'll just hide the plane over here. Simply uncheck this plane, display. Now we'll draw first simple line over here. So this is nothing but the height of this from here to here. So this height is nothing but this side, that is 3.35, which is mentioned over here. So simply double click and make it 3.35 and make it zoom fit. Okay, so in this way 3.35 inch height line is created. Now we'll go with some more drawing like this. Okay, now this is double click on it, make it 0.25. Okay, so here just delete this constraint, double click. This is also 0.25 actually, so keep it as it is, 0.25. Okay, now we need one more dimension over here, this dimension. So now we are provided with this diameter, that is 2.7. so half diameter will be 2.7 divided by 2. So simply double click on this and 2.7 divided by 2 and make this to be 3.75 divided by 2. So 3.75 divided by 2. Okay, now we'll go with the line command over here like this. We'll draw one arc over here like this, in this way. We'll go with the delete segment feature. Right, now we will use the tangent constraint over here to make this line tangent to the circle, and make sure that center line of this arc must coincide in this vertical line. So go to the coincident constraint, select the center point of arc, select this center line. So here it is coincident now. Okay, so whole sketch is now fully dimension. Now we'll go for the revolve feature. So before exiting the sketch, we need one datum center line for the revolve. So about this datum center line, this profile will revolve. Simply say OK. Now you can see it is revolve and say OK. Simply go to edit definition and say OK. Okay, now we will go with the next feature. We will create this feature which is shown right over here. Now this will be created on the front plane. So go to the drawing, select the extrude feature. It will be on the front plane. So sketch view. Now we'll select some references are required over here. This reference, close. Now we will draw some circles over here. First circle, second circle at the bottom, and third circle somewhere here. Now we will give the diameters. So you can see the outer circle diameters are like this. So here radius is mentioned, that is 0.38. So radius is 0.38 over here. So 0.38 into 2 will be its diameter, right? And this radius is 1.61. So 1.61 into 2 will be its diameter. Something is wrong over here. Okay, radius is 0.61 actually. Sorry. Radius is 0.61 into 2. Okay, this is clear now. Okay, now you can see this portion is tangent to this profile. So we'll make that tangent coincident over here. Select this and this tangent to each other. Now we'll define the center to center distance between these two to be 1.5 in the dimension. 1.5. Okay, and we'll define one more center to center distance, which will be 1.5 divided by 2, right, in this way. Now we'll create tangent lines to this circle. So select first circle, second circle, first circle, second, first, second, first, second, in this way, and just delete the unwanted segments. Okay, likewise. Okay, now see it is fully closed profile now, which is ready for the extrusion. Say OK, and here the depth of extrusion for this feature is nothing but up to this, that is 2.75 inch. So 2.75 inch, and say OK. Now you can see this feature is over this feature also. Actually we will later create this hole. So you can see this feature is similar to this feature, and which is at 45 degree. So we'll just pattern this feature at 45 degree. So from here, select the feature to pattern first. So this feature I want to pattern. So this pattern will be highlighted over here. Go to pattern, select over here the axis pattern, select the center line, select the number of pattern, I want 2 over here, select the angle between them 45 degree, but I want reverse because I want this side. So reverse direction, say OK. In this way this feature will be created. Now we will go with this feature which is at 45 degree, but this is different feature, it is at some angle. So for creating this feature we will be needing one plane which will be 45 degree from this right plane. So we'll create that plane. So for creating a plane, we'll just switch on the plane display from here. Select the plane, select this center line. Okay, then select the control and select the right plane over here. So you can see a plane will be added which is at 45 degree to this right plane. Say OK, and it will be passing through this center axis. Say OK. And now we will create this feature with the help of sweep. So for sweep we need one sketch. So we need one path for the sweep. So we'll create that path over here. Cancel this. So go to sketch, select this, and from here flip the direction, sketch, sketch view. Okay, now we'll just use this reference. Now go to the line and draw one line over here like this. Now you can see the angle for this vertical line with respect to this horizontal line is 6 degree. So we'll create one angle from here to here, that is 6 degree, and we are provided with this distance, that is the total distance from center line. So it is 2.4. So we'll go with the total distance of this line is 2.4. Also we are provided with the center distance. So from here select the reference, close, and go to the dimensions like this and this vertical dimension. So this vertical dimension is 2.35 over here, 2.35. Okay, and this distance is 2.4, which is right shown over here. Say OK. So our path is completed over here for the sweep. So go to sweep, select the path. Now here start point here, but I want to draw sketch here, so just reverse the start point and go to the section to be sketch over here and make a sketch view. Now here we will draw one circle. We'll draw a section over here. So this circle is nothing but this circle. So total die is 1.2 inch. So we'll change it to 1.2 inch. Okay, simply exit from here. So in this way you can see that feature is created. Okay. Now we'll go with the remove material feature now. Okay, I will just hide this plane. So we'll go with the remove material feature. So first of all go with Revolve, select the front plane, sketch view. Now from here we'll select wireframe. Now go here and select the offset and select this offset. Okay, because you can see this inside feature, it is offsetted by 0.25 mm distance. So we will offset that profile by 0.25 mm distance. So offset it by 0.25 mm distance, but we want offset in this direction, so keep negative value. Okay, in this way it is offsetted. Close from here. Now I'll go back to shading with edges. Now go back and draw a line like this. Okay, now we'll just draw one vertical line over here like this. Okay, just delete the unwanted segment. So you can see a close profile over here. Now go to OK, but we want here again a datum center line before for Revolve, and simply say OK. Now you can see here the inside material is removed. Simply say OK. Now we'll go with some more remove material feature. So go with the extrude on this face and sketch view. Now we'll just take a reference for this. Draw the circle. We are creating this hole which is of 0.82 inch. Say OK, but we want to remove material, so reverse direction and remove until in this way. Now we'll go and sketch on this. So sketch on this, sketch, view. Now draw a circle over here, so which will be through center line. We need one center line for drawing that circle. Draw a circle whose diameter is 0.75. Double click 0.75. Say OK. Extrude. We want extrusion until this face. Say OK. Again go with extrude and sketch on this. Now this time we'll select the references, this and this, and this one also. Close. Now go with the circle command. Okay. So diameter of these both circles are same, that is 0.38. So make it 0.38. Say OK. And the extrusion for this hole is up to 1 inch actually. So just reverse direction, make it up to 1 inch only. Say OK. Now we can mirror these two features towards this in the same way, the way we have mirrored this feature. So we'll select the features to mirror. Here pattern command will active. So select the feature to mirror. First feature, pattern. Select pattern, go to axis, select the axis, select the number of pattern to be 2, select the angle between them 45, but here we want reverse direction. Say OK. We need to create second pattern over here, so select second pattern, select the axis, go to this, go with number of features 2, go with angle 45, reverse direction, similarly say OK. Now here you can see in this way this whole model is created. We'll just unhide this sketch. So this sketch is over here. So right click and just hide this sketch. We'll just hide the datum planes also and go with the Control D, default orientation. Okay. Now here uncheck all this feature. Now we'll just give some color to this. So go to view, select the model to be color and select the appearances over here. Okay, the appearances which you want, you can select from here. Select feature and select the appearances. So in this way our model is completed. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.